Hi everyone, this is Sultan, and in this video I'll show you how you can transpose data from rows to columns or columns to rows in Excel. So what I mean is I'm going to move this data into this. Here what you can see is that the data that I placed from top to bottom, I've moved it from left to right. Alright, so let's get started. Now, transpose can be controlled in two ways. One, you can use the transpose formula, and two, you can use the paste special function for transpose. Let me show you both. First, let me start with the transpose formula. What you do is first you need to count how many columns you have here and how many rows you have here. Now what I can see is that I've got 3 columns and I've got 5 rows. Now what you do here is that you need to select exact opposite. Basically, since I have 3 columns, here I have to select 3 rows. And since I had 5 rows, here I have to select 5 columns. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Now once I've selected that, I'll just type in equal to and write transpose, and then I'll open the bracket. Alright. Next I have to select the fields that I want to transpose here. So I'll just select this data. Now I'll close the bracket. Now here's the crucial part. Transpose function uses array, for which we cannot just press enter and it will work, because if I press enter now it will trigger an error. Rather, here you have to use Control Shift Enter together. Alright, first press Control, while holding it press Shift, and while holding both of those press enter. So let me do that. And there you go. This data have been placed here accordingly. Really easy, right? Now let me show you the other way, that is using the paste special option of transpose, which is much easier than using the function, because when you use the function you have to count the number of rows and columns, but for that one you don't even have to do that. All you do is you select the data and you copy it. Now choose a place where you want to start the transpose. So let's say I want to place it from here. So now I'll just go to paste and I'll select paste special, and here you'll see at the bottom there is this option called transpose. You can click on transpose and press OK, and there you go, they've been placed same as this one, right? But this one takes much less time and it's easier to remember, right? So I really suggest you use the paste special option to transpose. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in one of my future videos. Have a nice day.